Hello and welcome. Today we've got this DeWalt laser. It's a DW088. I think it's an old red one, but I can't tell because I put a new set of batteries into it and it's refusing to go. There could be a couple of things wrong with this. We'll go for the simplest thing first. With the batteries out, the obvious thing to do is to clean these and clean those springs down in there. There might not be obvious corrosion. It takes very little just to stop the power going through. So we're going to try that first. The first thing we have to remove is these. We have to pry these out and give them a wee run with a diamond file, which is this, you know. With that done, all we have to do is clean the springs, and we use this. Put this into a drill and clean down the holes here. Now all we've got to do is put in the batteries and see if that's improved the situation. If not, we've got to go deeper. So I think we can agree that's fixed. I'm certainly calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.